Sorting. Sorting is a way of organizing a collection of items in a specific order, like from smallest to largest or alphabetically. Computers use sorting to organize data so we can find and use it quickly and easily. There are different types of sorting algorithms, and each one has its own unique way of putting things in order. Bubble sort. It works by comparing two items at a time and swapping them if they're out of order. This process continues until everything is perfectly arranged from beginning to end. Imagine SpongeBob and Patrick sorting jellyfish from smallest to biggest. They check two jellyfish at a time and keep swapping until all jellyfish are in the right order. Selection sort. In this method, you look for the smallest item in a list, place it at the beginning, and repeat with the next smallest until everything is sorted. Think of Mickey Mouse sorting his magic hats. He searches for the smallest hat and places it in the first spot, then the next smallest one, and so on until every hat is in order. Insertion sort. This works by taking each item and placing it in the correct position within the already sorted portion of the list. It's like organizing cards in your hand, one by one. Picture Mario arranging his coins from smallest to biggest. He picks up each coin and places it where it belongs, repeating until everything is sorted. Merge sort. This algorithm divides a large list into smaller groups, sorts those, and then merges them back together. Imagine Elsa and Anna sorting snowflakes. They split their snowflakes into two piles, sort each pile, and then combine them in order. Merge sort is efficient because it works with smaller sorted pieces. Quick sort. It selects a pivot item in a list, then places all smaller items on one side and larger ones on the other. It keeps dividing and sorting smaller groups until everything is perfectly ordered. Think of Sonic the Hedgehog sorting his rings by size. He picks a ring as the pivot, arranges all smaller rings to one side and larger rings to the other, repeating the process until everything is sorted. Sorting algorithms are everywhere. They help organize emails by date, photos by name, and even sort characters in a video game by strength. These algorithms make sure data is organized quickly so we can find things faster.